Somebody asked me a question yesterday. Is the theme of a seminar managing expectations or is it expecting to be managed? What do you think? Well, we'll just leave it at this stage right now. We will probably try and come back to it later on. What really are expectations? Probably they are much more than what the requirements are. You know, we may say what the requirements are, but that's not really what expectations are. Will it be right to say that they are the vision of a future state or action, usually unstated? Is it correct that expectations are usually unstated? Many times they are unstated. Yeah. But at the same time, they are very critical. They are very critical to the success of both the parties. Like when we use the word expectations, we are basically referring to two different parties, if not more. And then, at the same time, it's something which is very critical. This is probably the gist of what expectations are. You know, we had a lot of technical discussions earlier on, so having it put across in a graphical way may somewhat help. If you look at this, if you look at the top, there is an expected value. That's the red line which goes. On the x-axis we have time as time goes by, and on the y-axis we have what the value is, or the quantum of the expectation. I don't know what units they are in. But as time goes by, the value which is actually delivered is increasing. It's a linear line, so it keeps on increasing. However, what the perceived value is what we think what the value is, which may be correct, which may not be correct. That's a completely different matter. But the perceived value which is there tends to reduce. Like yesterday, Captain Sood said, we went to the moon, now we are going to the Mars, and then probably tomorrow we go to the sun also. However, it is, if you were to give it some more thought, it basically means that the moon has become the Mars now. What we were doing yesterday has now become a standard thing for us today. So not that we are doing anything different, it's just that the references have changed. What was 0 yesterday has now become something else.